guys, welcome back to the part 4 of the SunCity series where I'm shooting in Jodhpur with this beautiful, spectacular view of the Mehrangarh Fort. It's a beautiful sunny day, and in this series I'm correlating the sun's importance with the yogic practices. Now, as all of you know, Jodhpur is the Sun City and it also happens to be my native place, and hence this series is really special for me. I'm really excited to shoot. Now, in the past 3 videos, I've already covered the asana, the pranayam and the acupressure point related to the sun or the solar plexus. Now, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can meditate using the sun. Really, it's amazing, it's simple, and I've used it often. So stay tuned until the end of the episode. In case you want to write to me, you can reach out to me on my social media handles, my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Or the best is to WhatsApp me. I always reply, and that's a promise. You can also comment in the section below to let me know how you like this video. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Riya Bhansali and welcome back. Now, today the technique which I'm going to tell you barely takes 2 to 3 minutes. It can be used when the sun is either rising or it's setting, and it's extremely useful for especially 3 purposes. Number 1, it reduces the stress level. Number 2, it increases the level of focus that you have. And number 3, it improves your eyesight. For anyone having eye-related issues, it's super simple. You don't need any location, you don't need anything, just the sun and the nature and you with your back straight. So I'm going to demonstrate as to how you can do this, and I'm going to be talking as well. All you need is the perfect timing. You can watch what I'm doing and then do the same morning and evening according to your convenience. This technique is known as the Tratak or the gazing exercise. I'm really excited to show how simple things relating to the sun can be so effective in our life. You don't need any equipment, so you sit back and enjoy. Now, I'm beginning the Tratak meditation using the sun, and it's a beautiful day. So all I want you to do is grab your yoga mat or any asana that you have. Sit in a comfortable position, making sure your back is straight. We'll begin with our eyes closed, and I want you to gently open your eyes slightly and look at the sun without blinking. This may strain your eyes, and close your eyes when it starts watering. Repeat it again 2 more times. I want you to relax your eyes and keep it closed for some time. And the next time that you watch without blinking again. And now close your eyes. Use your palms to cover your eyes. At this point, you will start seeing the sun or a dot or an orange color light with your eyes closed. Try to continue and stare at it. If you're not able to figure it out, repeat the exercise again. Continue to watch the sun with a longer period of time. Repeating this again. Closing your eyes, covering, and try to follow the spot. If the spot is moving from right to left, up or down, keep moving with it. Keep your gaze attached there. And repeat it once more. At this time, try to make the dot or the spot stable. If it's moving, try to make it stable. Continue to watch it until it disappears. Keep your entire mind focused. Once you're done, remove your hands. Now take your right thumb and tap between your eyebrows for 15 times. Make sure there is a little pressure. Now keep your awareness in the area that you have tapped between your eyebrows and continue to focus there. The dot may appear again. It's possible that it also may not. It's absolutely fine if it's your first time. Keep your awareness between your eyebrows. Once you're done, after about a minute, rub your hands, create heat between your palms, place it on your eyes, hair, your entire neck. Fold both your hands in Namaste, thanking the sun or the Surya Bhagwan, bowing down to it. Looking up and opening your eyes. I hope you have enjoyed this simple Tratak or the gazing exercise. Please practice it at least for 21 days to see a tremendous result. Now, in my own yoga classes, the working professionals, I recommend this because it instantly brings down your headaches, your stress level, and the number of thoughts you have. If you are somebody who suffers from insomnia, oh my God, there is nothing better than this because it really concentrates all your thoughts at one point, brings the stress level down, and you can experience good sleep. For students, I remember when I was a CA student and I was doing my chartered accountancy, I would do this for at least 1 minute before I used to sit to study. Now, I used to make everything ready, all my books were out, and I used to just stare at the sun, close my eyes, and then whenever I felt ready, I would start opening my books and start reading. What this does is any thought that you have wandering in your head, remove. So you have better concentration, better focus, and it used to take me less number of time to study the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this. Keep practicing, write to me. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. If you have friends who suffer from insomnia, concentration problem, or headaches, please recommend this simple technique to them. Share this video, like and subscribe so that you do not miss any such updates. I still have 2 more videos coming up in this SunCity series. Really excited to share it with you. Looking forward for more of the SunCity experience with you right here. Until next week, my friends, Namaste.